glucose molecule, glucose, that is C6H12O6, has two isomers. One is alpha glucose, the other one is beta glucose. They have the same molecular formula, the same number of atoms, but they have different structures. Let's suppose I'm making a ring structure for glucose from carbon 1. Now this is the ring structure for glucose. It's an hexagonal shape. It's the shape like this, a hexagonal shape, ring shape. And this is carbon 1, carbon 2, all 5 carbons. It's 2 carbons, it's 3 carbons, it's 4 carbon, it's 5 carbon, it's O. And the 6 carbon chain is like this. All have H and OHs. H and OHs are attached to carbons. I haven't drawn them for simplicity. So every carbon has an H and OH attached to it. But the position of OH in carbon number 1 is always above. The position in carbon number 1 is always above. Position in carbon 1 is above. If I copy the same structure for alpha glucose, then carbon number 1 will be positioned below. The OH will be positioned below. So in alpha, the position of OH on carbon number 1 is below, and in beta, the position is above. And what does it do? What does different structures do? Different structural arrangement do? It The different structural arrangement always results in different secondary and tertiary structures. We have an OH here. This is the structure for fructose, the fruit sugar, and this is the structure for another molecule. That is galactose. These are some other structures of monosaccharides, a single molecule that should know, and why they are important. Why monosaccharides are important. They are important because they have various types of functions. They have various types of different functions. Functions of monosaccharides. I'm still not sure if I've written the correct spelling for monosaccharides. First of all, they have the bond of carbon and hydrogen bonds store a lot of energy that is transformed or that is consumed to make ATP. ATP is a molecule, adenosine triphosphate, from ADP, adenosine diphosphate. Okay, so This is the first function. This is the function number one. Func- The second function of monosaccharides are that they are building blocks for larger molecules. How? Good question. For example, we have glucose. Glucose is a monomer. Glucose is monomer. It's a single molecule monosaccharides. It forms starch that is a polysaccharide. Further, it can also form glycogen and other molecules such as cellulose. The third function of monosaccharides is, I'm giving an example, that we have ribose sugar. Ribose sugar molecule forms RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, and ATP. We'll further discuss that in our next class. Secondly, the deoxyribose forms DNA. Deoxyribose molecule. No, both are pent molecule. They both are a pentose molecule. They both are pentose molecule. That means they have 5 chain structures. Last but not least, glucose molecules provides energy in metabolism.